Bakery is one of our key markets that we serve, and so our reason for coming through IBIE is it is the premier show for our customers. It's a really good chance to talk with customers about what they're looking for, but also getting the pulse of what's going on in baking.
It's been really cool to see different bakeries from across the globe and different processes and kind of how we can cater our systems to fit into different areas, getting the word out about Meritech.
We support that larger wholesale, industrial, high volume retail bakery. For us to be here and have a presence doing what we're doing is about us supporting the baker and the baking community.
This is a great show. This is only every 3 years, so be sure you come out and see the latest innovations.
Come to the next one because this is the place where everything starts to come together. You've got really everybody within the network of baking, and so if somebody's just getting into the industry or they just haven't been here before, I would encourage them to at least come and walk the show, make those connections and make that network, because everybody here is willing to talk to people and to help people, and so I think it's a great place to be for bakers.